Hey everybody, Ashley Garner here with ABG Multifamily. So this week I want to address a question I'm hearing from investors a lot. Should I wait for interest rates to come down before investing? And that's a fair question, but I think it's the wrong question. So the Federal Reserve has made it clear they're willing to keep the short-term interest rates higher for longer. That's what it takes to bring inflation under control. Plus, the rates that investors pay are much more related to the 10-year Treasury than anything else. And the 10-year Treasury is very much affected by the market's expectation of inflation. So if the market thinks that inflation will be higher in the future or will go up, the Treasuries tend to stay up or go up. So as a result, commercial real estate lenders continue to price debt more conservatively than they did just a few years ago. Now, for multifamily investors, that means acquisitions need to pencil using today's financing costs, not tomorrow's. Or maybe tomorrow's if they go higher, right? But here's what many people overlook. When borrowing costs increase, transaction volumes usually slow down. So fewer buyers competing for those quality assets. That often creates opportunities to negotiate better pricing, better terms, sometimes even seller financing or, assumptions of even low rate existing loans. The key to all that is the sellers have to play ball. Right now, the sellers are not so much willing to let go of the properties for those prices. But here at ABG, we're not waiting for the perfect interest rate. We're looking for properties with strong fundamentals, with markets with population growth, stable employment, growing rental demand, and opportunities that we can increase value through better operations. And if the interest rates eventually decline, well, that's a bonus and we'll refinance. But our today's investment decisions aren't based on trying to predict what the Federal Reserve will do or what the Treasuries will do. They're based on buying quality assets, the right price, and operating them well. And history has shown that some of the best investments are made during these periods of uncertainty, after everybody thinks that everything's great and optimistic again. So maybe now's the time to jump in. I'm Ashley Garner, ABG and Associates. We make real estate easy for you. Have a great week.